Hello guys, hello guys. Try namin yung chocolate, Dubai chocolate. Kasi parang trending to. Binuksan na kasi ni Natalia at si Sebastian. Kaya i-try ko kung masarap. Sabi niya masarap daw. You try. Did you try already? How is it? Okay, you try them. Lovely. I like it. Dubai chocolate. Good. You like it?
Little.
Well, you have to rate 1 out of 10.
7.
7 out of 10. Me, I think 9. 9 out of 9. You like? Good. Dubai chocolate. Ang sarap yun. Ayun. Oh, good. I will buy next time. Mukbang. Mukbang kami sa Dubai chocolate.